In B2B marketing, lead generation is the main key performance indicators or KPI for the marketing and advertising team to measure the return of investment or ROI of overall marketing and promoting expenses. B2B buying conduct has evolved significantly in the past 3 to 5 years. Yet, most B2B marketers are crushing out the usual, worn-out B2B lead generation strategies, hoping for better outcomes. Most organizations create traffic to their site, yet still neglect to change the traffic into paying customers. For your business to be on a development trajectory into 2021, it should have the possibility to pull in ideal opportunities and afterwards nurture them into new customers. You ought to plan with B2B marketing agencies that have credentials optimizing and scaling lead generation programs inside your specific industry along these lines. Marketing ROI is an advancing craftsmanship and science. As it may, certain principles remain whether or not your sales team is dialing for dollars or persona-driven content offers to help produce more marketing-qualified leads. Generating leads is a need for anyone attempting to build up their commercial enterprise. In any case, in higher perspective terms, it's not what you do to generate leads that matter, the way you adapt to the leads while you win them is what matters. How you put our methodology into utilization can distinguish between a powerful marketing ROI strategy and flopping. Take a look at the 5 best B2B lead generation strategies that adequately increase revenues. Notwithstanding, before you do, you need to consider lead generation regarding the entire marketing funnel. Email marketing and advertising. Email marketing is outstanding amongst all other lead generation segments of marketing. The main benefit of email marketing is that you can target hyper-segmented audiences and influence content personalization to improve email commitment at each phase of your channel. A warily crafted email marketing campaign that is suitably focused and turning in the right content is a top-notch method of accomplishing your capacity target audience and engaging with them and improving your email marketing ROI. Content marketing. Content marketing works on the principle of giving something to forthcoming and existing customers to no end consequently in most cases. Content marketing through social media is an excellent method for picking up contact subtleties that can utilize for remarketing later. Content can handle numerous sizes and styles, for example, blogs, white papers, vlogs, infographics, and reports. There are multiple tactics through which you can deliver content to our possibilities: social media posts, emails, or on other people's sites with links to our own, for instance. What you need to achieve with content differs from demonstrating expertise or building trust in your brand image to inciting interest in the products or offerings you sell or demonstrating your idea management. Eventually, your organization's smartest choice is to work with B2B inbound marketing agencies to design and execute an inbound marketing plan focused on content marketing that moves website guests from the top to the bottom of your marketing channel. Search marketing. From the viewpoint of a B2B marketer, SEO is just one of numerous tops-of-funnel strategies. It implies that search engine optimization never really sustain leads down into the bottom of your funnel like showcasing and marketing automation does. Nowadays, most marketers look to wipe out PPC costs by positioning at the highest Google search point. Why contact individuals and experience all the issue of trying to keep up their consideration with your rigid sales playbook and sequences of email formats? When you can discover what states your possibilities are looking for in their mindfulness phase of the buyer's journey, make content for that niche topic. Finally, focus on long-tail search queries, outlined as inquiries to accommodate the rising trends of voice-enabled searches. While search queries are focused around keywords searched less than 100 times each month, they have higher conversion and higher intent rates. Social marketing. Appropriate social media marketing is a marvelous tool for lead generation. This implies understanding your customers and your optimal possibilities while marketing. Investigate the social profiles of your rivals and see what is getting the most likes and shares. It will give you extraordinary insights into the sorts of content potential clients find the most valuable. With web-based and social media marketing, you have the organic side, where your organization posts messages about your brand image, yet you also have the more targeted side of paid promotions. While it costs more forthcoming than organic posting, paid social media advertising can give more successful leads and hence, whenever done effectively, cost less in the long haul. Collaboration. As a tool for associating with potential collaborators, providers, and customers, LinkedIn is a magnificent B2B social media platform. There are numerous opportunities to improve lead generation interactions with prospects through references, remarks, suggestions, or answering call-outs. A private message to someone you draw in can lead to a new client in the appropriate context. Furthermore, LinkedIn has its own lead generation forms. These structures are adaptable. For instance, you can get to informational fields for your forms. Likewise, you can choose to integrate LinkedIn lead generation forms with either sponsored in-mail or sponsored content, the two of which are advertisement alternatives on LinkedIn. Conclusion: B2B lead generation strategies leverage various tactics and best practices to support profound sales and marketing alignment. Working with leading B2B marketing organizations, your essential goal should be to advance and optimize your company's sales enablement approach. One needs to remain consistent with the timeless principles of powerful marketing, brand consistency, understanding the intended target audience, and roads to accomplishing practical customer commitment to bring down one's customer acquisition costs.